Once you are clear on your vision for goals and targets, you can begin to clarify product and supplier standards for procurement. Grouping and establishing category standards can enable you to benchmark best practices for goods procured by multiple industries. Examples: textiles, metals, wood, plastics. By establishing product-level goals, you can target change in key groups of suppliers that can ladder up to enterprise targets. Aligning supplier standards by category and with your industry can support enacting bigger change or making change faster with your supply chain. Example standards for materials. Disclosure requirements. Product standards may include disclosure requirements like an EPD or HPD or life cycle analysis, using specific protocols such as ISO standards. Other disclosure standards may include labor practices and country origin for materials or products. Leveraging ISO standards can provide a standard framework for use. Design for disassembly. You may require products to be designed to be disassembled for recycling or reuse to minimize waste to landfill. Recycled content. You may require establishing a minimum quality of recycled content in your products to help reduce embodied carbon and support circular economics for the goods you purchase. Product take-back. For difficult-to-recycle items, you may require your supplier to provide take-back or regional recycling options for the goods you purchase. Continuous improvement. For long-term strategic suppliers, you may establish a requirement to continuously improve the carbon performance of a product through their purchase of renewable energy, increased recycled content, or changed supplier practices. Next, you should engage with industry peers and leaders for feedback. In cases of shared supply chains, you may be able to enact bigger change if you partner with others to have similar and common supplier requirements. Understanding where your industry is relative to others will also help you understand if the ambitions you have established are likely to be achievable, and if you are a leader or lagging behind peers. If you have engaged with third-party consultants to support this work, they may be able to help guide you to understand current industry best practices, databases, and sustainable supply chain working groups that may help advance your responsible materials program. Finally, you can begin to craft standards, educational content, and other support tools for suppliers. You may wish to begin with your most material suppliers, who provide the largest quantity of goods, or the most by spend to ensure you are capturing the most material items. Evaluate existing requirements to assess crossover or opportunities for synergies, such as ethical sourcing practices. Assess both current and industry software products to gather and collect data and insights from suppliers on products.